Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll tell you about the multiple remote job opportunities and the work from home job opportunities. And before I share those details with you, let me share one important update about the digital product. So we have created the SQL interview related questions and answers. There are 300 consolidated questions and answers from the top MNC companies, which you will get in this particular digital product. So if you are someone who is looking to crack the interviews, but you are unable to prepare for the SQL, you can just go through these questions. It would really help you a lot. So there are 300 SQL questions with beginner to advanced level of the interview questions, and the answers has been covered in this particular product. So you can avail this today itself. Now, let me tell you about the remote job opportunities first. So, Invicta company is hiring for multiple QA roles. They're hiring for remote full-time roles. They're hiring for QA testers, and this is the CV. This is the email address where you have to send your CV, and you have to apply by November 20th, 2025, right? Then there is a hiring for QA tester, manual testers, and the location is Pune. It can be remote as well. This is the email address, creativewebsolution.in, and this is the contact number, right? Requirements are 1 to 3 years of manual testing experience is required, strong understanding of STLC, SDLC, and defect lifecycle, right? Then there's a hiring for senior QA engineer, experience 4 to 8 years. Apply now, and you can apply at this particular email address. And the location is Ahmedabad, and the website is given. You can also scan the QR code for the further details. Now, let me share some more opportunities with you, right? See, there are many opportunities which are work from home. There are many opportunities which are work from office. You just have to focus on the preparation, okay? Okay, now Kiwi QA is hiring for the immediate joiners. So they are hiring for the contractual based roles. There are 3 positions, and the contract duration is 3 months, and then it would be extended to full time. So you can drop your CV at this particular email address, and this is the subject line. Okay, then there's a requirement at Universal Software. So they are hiring for QA engineer, again, experience 1 to 2 years. Other opportunities also there. And they're also looking for immediate joiners, and this is the email address wherein you can apply. Then there's a requirement for QA analyst in Lucknow. Location is Noida, and the experience required is 6 months to 2 years. And they are looking for a junior person who can work for the Noida location. So interested candidate, you can share your resume here. Then there's a requirement for lead SDET female candidates, and the location is Gurugram. Work mode is hybrid. Experience is 8 to 10 years. Notice period is up to 30 days max. So they are looking for a lead SDET, someone who's having strong experience in Java, Selenium, rest assured. Prior team leading mentoring experience is a plus, right? Since they are looking for the lead level of roles, and the female candidates, they are looking for female candidates, and this is the email address. EPAM is hiring in Hyderabad, and they're looking for automation testers proficient in various programming languages. First is for Java automation testing with Java Selenium API, then JavaScript automation testing with Selenium and any JS automation tools, then Python automation testing. And experience required is 6 to 15 years. Location is EPAM Hyderabad, and the interview date is also provided. So you can send your resume to this particular email address, right? Now, one more company is there which is hiring for performance testing, and they're hiring for senior product performance test engineer, 6 to 10 years, and product performance test engineer, 3.5 to 5.5 years. Work location is Pune, and you can share your resume to this email address. Then there's a requirement for interns, automation testing plus MBA, and it is remote. It's a remote job. So someone who has automation testing skills or some negligible experience is also fine. Willingness to work with US EST hours. So if you're ready to kickstart your career in tech plus business, you can apply at this particular email address. Then there's a hiring for quality engineer. Location is Hyderabad. They are looking for manual testers. They're looking for someone who has got ability to identify test cases, find bugs, perform functional testing, non-functional testing. Work experience is 3 plus years. And this is the email address wherein you can share your CV. One more company in Indore, which is hiring for QA, and they're hiring for the experience of 1 to 3 years. Location is Indore on-site. Notice period is immediate to 15 days. They're looking for someone who has strong understanding of SDLC, STLC, and QA methodologies, hands-on experience in functional regression, smoke, sanity, and integration testing. So interested ones can drop their resumes at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for senior SDET, Java, Selenium, API automation. Location is Gurgaon. Experience is 2 to 6 years, and someone who is having mobile automation experience and can join immediate to 1 month. Someone who is senior SDET has got 6 to 8 years of experience with skill set Java, Selenium, rest assured. So immediate to 30 days you can apply, and you can apply at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for Playwright automation engineers, and the location is Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad. It's a work from office role, and the experience required is 4 to 10 years. And they are looking for 2 plus years in JavaScript based automation, strong expertise in Playwright, Cypress, good knowledge of JavaScript, TypeScript. These two languages are generally used with the Playwright. It is JavaScript, it is TypeScript. I would suggest don't go to learn TypeScript directly before learning JavaScript. You should always first learn JavaScript, then and then only you should go ahead and learn the TypeScript language. So you can apply for this. Someone who has experience with BDD Cucumber as well, and responsibilities are given function and automation testing with Playwright, Cypress, build and maintain JavaScript-based automation frameworks, API integration automation. So interested candidates can share resumes at this particular email address. So these are the various job opportunities wherein you can apply for the test positions. Let me share with you few more remote jobs as well. Right. So this company, let me share the details with you. So this company is hiring for various roles: Node.js developer, QA automation, React Native developer, business development executive, and the contact details are provided. The email address is also provided, so you can apply to this particular company as well. Then this QA automation tester role, it is there for the location of Bangalore. It's an on-site role. 4 to 7 years in automation testing is required. Someone who is strong in Playwright, Selenium, Python scripting, CI/CD, Jenkins, performance testing is good to have. And this is the email address and the contact number that you can apply. So these are few of the details for the testers. We shared with you the remote testing jobs. We shared with you the testing job opportunities, work from office, hybrid roles as well. And we shared with you the internship job opportunities. So apply on all these roles today itself. And you can also avail the SQL interview questions and answers, a digital product that has been created. All these details you will be getting in the first comment of the video once it is made public. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.